So we've got Baden just finished up with an LC 105 with the turbo installation. Nice and neat and tidy, doing a few little adjustments and final things. Looking good down in there, Baden?
Yeah, all going good.
I'll just take a walk over here. Right next to it is another one he's just done. Lovely 60 series. Turbo kit installed. Gigantic big inline pump down there. Got to love them, these old 2Hs. And a nice, neat and tidy job over here as well. So, real old school Land Cruiser. 60 series, right up to the 100 series. We've been doing them for a long, long time, and we're still doing them. It's hard to believe, actually. It's third generation on. These kids or grandkids would be still doing turbos. So if you do things properly, like we do here, everything lasts. So if you don't like what we say, see you later. And if you do like watching our videos, keep watching them, because we tell it as it is and cover it live like it's been done on these two here. Another couple of lovely turbo jobs. You can see more of these videos and information about turbocharging. Keep watching our Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, or look us up at BerrimaDiesel.com, where you can find out more about looking after your diesel.